Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to watch random live videos on Instagram. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. As you already know, you can't choose a live stream to watch on Instagram, so there is an unusual way to do this. So go to Instagram and swipe to the right, and page appears with the creation of a story. Select live from below and conduct your live broadcast for a couple of seconds. Then click send in the lower right corner and select any recipient. Next we complete our live broadcast. Click in the upper right corner and delete it. Then we go into your messages and select the chat in which you sent the broadcast. As you can see, you can click watch more. Click, and as you can see we have broadcasts and other users. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.